Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of speaking with Grant Peters. Grant is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here today, Grant.
Certainly, Brad.
So today I want to talk to you about working together. Okay, a lot of people have the perception that town council in the last phase didn't really work well together. There were public disagreements, not very cohesive behavior, and decision making suffered. Given the opportunity to be elected, what would you do differently, and how would you personally hope to resolve an issue along those lines?
It is a good question, and it has been brought up during the campaign. People ask about that, and teamwork has been a theme. From my perspective, council meetings are about establishing decisions. You know, that's when the councilors get together and they hammer out what the direction is on the various items within the agenda. So my approach would be always to be as prepared as possible, and that means engaging the stakeholders, the staff, the public on these issues well ahead of the meeting, as much in advance as possible, you know, so I can establish exactly, you know, what the community needs. In terms of relating to the other councillors, you know, I sit at large meetings frequently, professionally, as an engineer and working with developers and contractors and designers. You can get a big room and there's often many personalities at the table, but my approach that's worked for me successfully in my career is to be clear and concise. People know where I stand. I come to my conclusions through a lot of diligence and homework, and I don't think you can fault someone who offers that rationale during their time, you know, be it at council chambers or at the board table. So working with councillors is a priority. Not everyone's going to see eye to eye. A healthy debate is good for the community, because ultimately the decision that's made should be in the best interest of the most people that live here. And, you know, bringing some of that professional experience to the table, having decorum, interacting with those other councillors is critical, because we want the issues to be what people talk about and not the relationships. So let's, you know, not worry about the trivial matters. Let's come prepared to meetings. Let's interact in a professional manner, and we can get a whole lot of things done.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much for commenting on that subject. I know a lot of people are looking forward to that answer. So thanks again for being here, Grant. If you'd like to see some more of what Grant has to say, please do check out the links below. And thanks again for watching.